Now I've got a little problem going on here, and some of you may have picked up on it when you saw that I was using the monitor to, monitor what I'm doing. And that is, everything is backwards. If I move something to the right on the screen, it moves to the left, and vice versa. If I move it this way, it seems to go the wrong way. Well, left and right is the worst, or going like this. If I wanted to correct that, I would think that I should turn it. Well, that worked. Anyway, I'm finding it frustrating because it's sort of backwards. It's hard to keep it centered, and I'm thinking that if I was to turn the camera around and have it at the same orientation as the way I'm looking at it, there would be less of a problem that way. Now, earlier this morning, I did try turning the monitor upside down, and surprisingly, that kind of worked. But what it didn't do was, if I was to have something, say, round, and I was to roll it towards me like this, on the screen it actually rolled away from me. So it's still not right. Plus, when the monitor's upside down, any text or anything that happens to be on the screen is also upside down. So I'm going to make a little bracket here and see if I can just change this around a little bit and have the camera, 180 degrees. My original thinking on this and having it the way it is the idea was it was supposed to be so that the viewer was going to be sitting right across the table from me watching what I was doing. And I thought at the time that was a good idea, but I'm sort of thinking right now maybe it's not such a good idea. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do today. Now, before I get going here on this adjustment to the camera, I guess you've already surmised that Cellar Dweller did not phone me yesterday. If they did, we'd be having a box opening video today. Yeah, I was kind of hoping I'd get the call. In fact, I was really hoping I'd get the call. Now, today is Saturday, and I don't think that the carrier who's actually bringing the model from Edmonton works on Saturday. Now, I could be wrong, and we will get a call today. Cellar Dweller is closed on Sunday and Monday. Now, do you know what day Tuesday is? Well, apparently it's worst case scenario day. Oh, okay, today or tomorrow sounds good.
Well, yeah, as long as there's no kind of delays, there shouldn't be any. I guess worst case scenario would be Tuesday. But yes, it's already shipped through.
This may not work. Well, see, I want to be able to get at the buttons from the back here. Oh, yeah. Always something. Well, I suppose I could have it maybe a little further down. I could try it with a 3-inch center to center hole drilled, from here to here. And then I can get my fingers in behind here because I want to be able to get at these two buttons here especially. Yeah. Well, this is what I've come up with. I drilled several holes. I got 1, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4. I would imagine that one of these is going to be the sweet spot. Okay. I didn't want to shorten this piece here because I thought I might want to go back and use it again in here. So I just made up a spacer. There's not much thread here, so a person wants to be careful you don't over tighten. Okay. Readjust my strap somehow. Oh, I don't want to have it there. I think I'll probably, maybe I could utilize the hooks that are in the camera. You know, they might, well, I'll see. Actually, right around here would be good. I didn't mean hooks, I meant the neck strap eyelets. However, I found something even better. Well, this is what I've come up with. And it's just a strap, and I've put a little bit of CA glue right down the middle of it to stiffen it, and I punched holes in it. Now the idea is, and believe it or not, this is going to be the first time I've actually picked the camera up by this strap. The idea is that it's more in a center line with the center of gravity. And people in the flying model hobby store will know that that's called the C of G. Now let's see how our C of G works here. Haha, that's pretty close. Okay, now I can see that if I move this whole thing back one rail, it should work almost perfect. Let's try that. So I moved this whole thing back one notch, so to speak. Wonder how high I can go here and still keep it straight. You know, that's going to be okay. That's going to be all right. Well, let's try it out. Get the monitor hooked up and see if it makes a whole lot more sense now. Well, I know it will. Okay, I've turned off the overhead lights so that it doesn't wash out the screen. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. And that makes sense. Now, the only thing I'm thinking is that I'm probably not going to be wanting to work away out here. What's going to happen if I'm back here and I tilt this back a little bit? Is it going to look funny? I don't know. Maybe not. I'll have to try and see. Otherwise, maybe I will have to move the whole thing back where it was a few minutes ago. Yeah, because my work will be right here. At least I'll have to experiment. Anyway, we got this done. Well, it's about 1:47 in the afternoon, and there's still no call from Cellar Dweller today. So it looks like that we are looking at worst case scenario. In other words, Tuesday. But you know, when I was working on this today, I thought of something else that I would really like to do that's going to make things a lot better. And it involves this little piece here that was on here. Anyway, yeah, I think that's about it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.